Ready to blast off your crypto trading journey with Bybit? Let's get your account funded. First things first, head over to Bybit and make sure you're logged in. Then, locate the Assets tab, usually found in the top right corner of the homepage, and give it a click. This is your gateway to managing all your funds on Bybit. On the Assets page, you'll see a big, friendly deposit button. Click that. This will take you to the deposit interface where you can choose your funding method. Bybit accepts a wide range of cryptocurrencies. For deposits, you'll see a list like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and many more. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Remember to double-check which network is most efficient for you. Once you've chosen your cryptocurrency, Bybit will generate a unique deposit address for you. You can either copy this address or simply scan the QR code with your wallet app. Make sure you send the correct cryptocurrency to the displayed address. Sending the wrong crypto could result in permanent loss of funds. Now, open your external wallet, whether it's on your phone, a hardware wallet, or another exchange, and initiate the transfer to the Bybit deposit address you just copied or scanned. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your funds will appear in your Bybit account. The time it takes for confirmation depends on the cryptocurrency and the network congestion, and that's it. You're now ready to start trading. Happy trading.